Hello everyone, in today's video, let's talk about on how we can create a floor plan in Planner 5D. So first things first, navigate through your floor plan, and in here you could create one from scratch or you could just grab one of their templates. Since this is a tutorial, let's select from scratch. From there, it will then prompt you with this single room off the get-go that basically enables us to edit this. Now, if you click on a room, there's going to be this drop-down menu. You could identify which room this specific space is going to be. So in here, you could maybe change this into something like a living room. You can change the height, the thickness, and the flooring height. So in my case, I'm fine with this one. Let's just reshape this to actually make the living room a bit bigger. From there, to add more rooms onto your house or to your floor plan, you could click on the build option. In here, click rooms, and then you have the ability to select the size of the actual room. Once again, you could customize this to whatever you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be moving this room at the top of the living room right here. So this is going to be something like my guest room. So I'm just going to change this into room right here just to make things a lot easier. Let's go ahead and add more, or you could also copy and paste a room if you want to. So let's go ahead and do that just to make things a lot simpler. And for the last one, let's go ahead and add an additional room, which is going to be at the side of the house itself. Now that I have adjusted the room the way I want to, I'm going to navigate through Furnish, and in here you simply want to search for door. Now the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, put a main door onto the actual house right here. So I'm going to click the entry door, and then we're going to use this one. Of course, you could rotate this the way you want to. You could also drag and drop this onto the wall itself. So I'm fine with this one. And basically from there, you could add a single door onto the room that we have right here. So I'll click on room, single, and I'll add the simple doors right here just to make my rooms easily accessible. From there, you could add your furniture. So once again, navigate through Furnish. In here, you could maybe search for something like a living room. Let's add something like a sofa, strafe, and of course, from here, you could customize the room the way you want to. And to make things a lot easier, of course, I'm not going to customize or make this the actual finished product. But from here, you could also navigate through build. And then we have the draw walls option. So for example, if you want to draw a wall for something like your bathroom, you could just go ahead and do that right here. And then let's add another wall. So this is going to be the bathroom that I'm going to customize. So basically from there, you are good to go. Once again, you could customize this the way you want to, but as you can see, it's all coming together. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.